For me, pride is more of an acceptance of myself. I'm Andreas, I'm 28, and I'm going to my first Pride this year. And it feels like a milestone, as in I don't know if it's like a gay mecca or something, but I think everyone's reaction is like, how have you not gone to Pride? You live in London, you're a gay man. When you're LGBT, you're always on alert, and it's mentally and emotionally really draining. Not on a day-to-day basis, but it does wear you down. You know, you go in for a kiss and you feel like maybe you should just make it a bit more friendly, as opposed to this is my partner who I supposedly love. And I think for Pride, I guess since there's so many supportive people there, you can switch off. You can even just let loose without worrying that someone's going to bottle you or if someone's going to say something, because it has happened to me before. It's happened to my friends. So it seems like a great environment to just be having fun, but also, more importantly, just to feel safe. Being LGBT is an invisible minority. You know, you can be black, you can be white, you can be male, you can be female, and you can be gay. As you get older, you realise that your huge fears, they are fully justified, fully warranted to feel that way. But then you get to a certain point where you just go, you know what, I don't care. You know, you just reach a point where you just push back, really.
It's not quite what I expected, actually. Everyone's really happy. There's loads of the atmosphere and the vibe is just really fun. Everyone's really happy. They're just really relaxed, aren't they? They're just really happy. I like the joy. The joy's nice. I've been using the word joy a lot lately. I just think joy, and joy is such a pure, innocent, fun word. There's no negativity or anything around that.
I'll get that little piece of dandruff off.